Now, I will be showing you guys another simple yet highly effective trading strategy that I frequently use to make informed decisions on my trades. So for this trading strategy, we're going to be using the RSI indicator and the MACD indicator. So to add these two indicators into your charts, you would like to open up the indicators tab, search up RSI, add this one into the chart, and then after doing so, search up MACD, add this one into the charts. And then after doing so, we're going to have these two indicators open up into the charts. This one is the MACD, this one is the RSI. These two indicators are very, very effective in helping you identify potential entries and exit points. So back to the charts, just a general rule of thumb, you would like to be opening short positions in a downtrend, and you would like to open up long positions in an uptrend. So how do we trade using these two indicators? Let's say you want to open up a short position. Let's say you want to profit when the market is going down. And to do so, you have to use these two indicators to make informed decisions on your trades. So first off, we have the MACD. The signal to open up a short is look at the point where the red line starts to have a cross with the blue line. Once we do see the red line cross with the blue line, that is a bearish cross, and that is the signal to go short. However, just don't jump straight into your trades immediately, because we would like to minimize our risk, and to do so, we combine this strategy with the RSI, and then you would like to look at the RSI trading at the overbought range. And once you do see the RSI trading at the overbought levels or at the overbought range, you would like to open up a short position and then profit on the way towards the downside. And that would be a 20% profit towards the downside if you open up a short right here as soon as you see the MACD have a bearish cross and the RSI trade at the overbought range. This is where you want to open up a short position. And then after that, you're going to see the market move down as a result, and you would have a profit of 20%. It really depends on your leverage. You could use higher leverage and increase your profits, but that would be very, very risky on your part because the liquidation point would be closer to your entry point. The same strategy goes to here. You open short right here because you see the MACD having a bearish cross where the red line crosses over the blue line, and then you see the RSI trading at overbought levels. And that is when you're going to be opening a short position and profit on the way down. Same over here, you profit on the way down because you see these indicators flashing bearish. Now, what about opening up long positions in the market? So again, as a rule of thumb, you would like to open up long positions when we are in an uptrend such as this one. Now, to open up long positions, you would like to see the MACD have a bullish cross where the blue line crosses over the red line, and you would like to see the RSI trading at oversold levels in the RSI. Once you see these two confirmations being met, you would like to enter into a long position and profit from this nice pump. That's about a 13% pump, or you could increase your profits with leverage. Another example is right here. This is where you're going to be entering into a long position because first off, if you take a look at the RSI is currently at an oversold level. And if you take a look at the MACD, we had a bullish cross where the blue line crosses with the red line. And therefore, we're going to be opening a long position right here and profit from this trade. And another final example is right here. You guys can clearly see the MACD have a bullish cross where the blue line went over the red line. And then for the RSI, we have traded at oversold levels. Therefore, we enter into a long position and profit on the way up. So watch this next video on the screen. I'm going to teach you guys how to use the VWAP to your advantage.